When your dog looks into your eyes, your brain releases the same chemical it releases when you fall in love. This is Biscuit, a golden retriever who watches the door every evening, waiting for his person to come home. Scientists made a discovery that stopped them cold. When a dog gazes at you, your brain releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone that floods through humans when they fall in love. But here's the part that changed everything. Biscuit's brain releases it too, at the exact same moment. Two species, thousands of years of evolution, looking into each other's eyes and sharing the same chemical rush of love. Dogs didn't just learn to live beside us, they learned to love like us. Follow Animazing Species for a new animal fact every week.